Hello again, this is Tom Rowe, Product Evangelist for CentreStack, and this is part 3 of the Quick Start series. And as you can see, I'm logging into the local host of my CentreStack installation, my server, on my Windows Server 2016. And you can see the dashboard here. There are some settings that we need to tweak once the security certificate has been installed. And I'm going to walk through those settings right now. So first we go to the control panel, and there we go to the worker nodes. Under the worker nodes, you can see there's an edit icon here. If you click that, we'll need to change our external URL. The HTTPS information is going to go here. So I'm going to add an S, and then I'm going to change the computer default name to my actual domain name, and then I'm going to hit apply, and there's a gear there on the left. I'm going to click that icon, and that will allow me to force SSL on login, and if I click it again I can force SSL for native clients. So that takes care of those settings, and that basically makes sure that anybody that's using the domain will be using it using the HTTPS protocol, and it will be secure. Now here I am logged in as localhost where I've made my changes, but there's another setting I need to do here. But first let's go ahead and test that other setting. If I type in here http:// in my domain name, let me just adjust the type, and then I hit enter, it automatically redirects me to the secure page. So that's exactly what we want. And then I can of course check my certificate and my path and see that everything is okay. So this should work well on any browser. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in here just to show you what we get if you log in from a web portal. Now you can see that I'm logged in as the admin. I can modify my settings from the internet. This is not something that you might want. You might want them only to be able to access these control features from localhost. So what I'm going to do is go to Group Policy under Common Settings Security. I'm going to set accessing management related pages from intranet only, and we'll save that. Now this forces me to log in from my CentreStack server machine, my Windows server, in order to make changes. And now if I go back and I try and log in through the web portal, now all I see is my folders. So this eliminates the ability to access the settings from the internet. So that's something as far as security that you might want to enable. So I'll close that tab, and now I'm going to reopen my Chrome browser, and I'm going to go back to localhost just to show you that when you log in as the cluster admin from your localhost, you get access to all of your settings as the cluster admin. Now notice up here there's a 24 trial days left notification and a little shopping cart icon. Now that connects to your partner portal, and if you click that, you can just sign into the portal here, and that automatically licenses the CentreStack installation for you, and that's all taken care of. As you can see, it's gone and it's ready to use. And that's part 3, and I look forward to seeing the next one. Keep your eyes open, they'll be coming fast. You have a great day. Bye.